Welcome back, guys. Discount Tools here with another little in-use video, or whatever you want to call these little vids we put on YouTube. Today we got, oh boy, the Makita. Of course I can't get XP-H07 brushless hammer drill. This is the big boy. I don't know if you can see it, but it's two settings. Come on, focus. It's setting 1 and setting 2. What I love, hammer drill, and screw function on its own collet, and you have up to 21 clutch settings. Let's just turn that around. Plastic here, but very nice chuck. It's a very beautiful chuck. All right. I'll just read this off to you if you guys can't see it. Hoping this video zooms in, but it's 0 to 5,500 RPMs and 0 to 2,100 RPMs. And drill, no load. Is that no load? Not sure. And then in hammer, yeah, okay, so it's drill, probably not hammer. And in hammer, you have 0 to 8,250. And then in mode 2, you have 0 to 31,500 MIN. Half-inch chuck. On the bottom here, I'll show full battery. Also have a battery indicator on the bottom here for the old Makita batteries with no battery indicator. Of course, I have all the new ones. Very comfortable in the grip. 2 LED lights that really are the best probably out there besides the Bosch. But for a drill, this is great. We have the 1-inch paddle bit, and if you remember my video with the DeWalt, put this down. We killed the DeWalt with this test. So we're going to use some fastener. We're going to drill some holes, and then we're going to do some fasteners. All right. So let's do the holes first. We're going to start with a 1-inch bit. Speed 1. We're in drill. Let's see what we got. Smoking. There's some smoke from that hole. Oh, I think it went deeper than the DeWalt. Very warm. Very impressed with that. Guys, let me show you the hole we got down there. This is oak, just in case you guys wanted to know. All right, let's see what this guy can do with a 5/8 paddle. That was on 1 again. You can just smell that wood right now. Much better than the DeWalt's doing right now. With this, we still got 4 bars. Really cool. Let's try setting 2. stalled out, but came right back. Remarkably smooth, this Makita. Stalls out, but comes out like a champ. Really impressed with the smoothness with the drill. Let me put the 1-inch bit back in. Can't talk. 1 inch again. We'll try that in speed too. Okay, 1 inch paddle bit, spade bit, whatever you want to call it. Speed 2. Take the battery off. Take the whole bit off, just in case. Looks like we might have killed the Makita as well. It looks like this test is just too much for these bits. For these drills. Looks like we killed the Makita as well. I had really high hopes for this, but it's doing a lot better than the DeWalt actually. Really disappointing. Very disappointing, but it's still on. The motor might just need some time. It's a little warm. This is a brushless motor, so there's nothing. Let me try to take off the battery, as we can see. But little disappointing. Let me see here. Oh, wait. We might have killed the battery. Let me get another battery on this guy. This was a fresh battery, too. Hold up 1 second. Alright, guys, we're back. Just got a fresh battery. Let's see if that'll work. Oh, she's back. Let's get this bit out. Oh, baby, you were worrying me. All right, we are back and chooching. Oh, gosh, a little worried there. So, let's do the bad boy test. 1.5 inch Bosch Devil bit. Let's see what if this will kill it or not. I'm hoping not. A lot of cam out. It's doing it. You just gotta work it down. Again, I'm hoping, as you can see, these two batteries died. If that's something that, let's just look at them again. I'm hoping that that wasn't a battery overload. That means these won't charge. There are under warranty. These are the 5 amps. But I know this is a heavy test, but these batteries should not be, they don't feel warm, but they shouldn't be, you know, this dead already. I'll be back with another bit. We'll do some drilling tests with it, see how fast they go. But I'll get another battery, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, we're back. I got 2 freshly charged batteries, literally right off the charger. As you can see, fresh. I'm hoping that my batteries are not dead. I'll do a little check back later. I put them on the charger, the ones that just happened, and we'll see. Let's now we'll go and see what this guy can do drilling screws. We're going to use some SPAC screws. Actually, let's use the 2-inch bit. Into oak. Just want to make sure I got the right bit. Or bit driver. That's the, there we go. These are DeWalt's little T20 bit set. I know we're using DeWalt, but for now, can't find my Makita set. As you can see, it doesn't really want to fit for some reason. Why won't you go? Yes, that's how it sits. I really don't like that. This bit holder kind of sucks. Let me just see real quick. Yeah, they give you 2 T25 heads. Yep. We have to go shorty. And no magnetized bits. Oh, we'll be in put this in screw mode. I'm gonna go setting 1. So we got cam out there, so you won't be able to go fully into the wood with a 2-inch bit on setting 1. Let's try setting 2. Fresh screw. Let's go here. Wow. Oh, you know what? Setting 5. Let's go with setting 19. Shall we? Wow. Alright, let's try that again. So I got the right setting now. Wow, that's smooth. Except for the cam out, but that's really smooth. Let's try that again. Let's try on setting 15. Up and down. Wow. The DeWalt couldn't even do it on setting 15. Let's do setting 10. Work our way down. Wow. That is incredibly smooth right there, guys. Let's go down to setting 5. You can get the bit in, the screw in, or whatever fastener you have, but you can't get it out in setting 5. Let's try. Switch it to 1. Sink this bit. So that was setting 9 on clutch. It's just unbelievably smooth and a gentle ride. Wow. Let's do 7. So on 5, we couldn't even put it in. Let's do that. The DeWalt even couldn't sink it at 7. Holy, wow. Unbelievable drill. Unbelievably smooth. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Just unbelievably smooth. Like, there is no vibration in my hand using this drill. Like, definitely a must buy if you're trying to get out of that prosumer category and you're looking for a great workhorse. Let's just try hammer drill. We'll go easy on her. We'll do a 5/8 bit. Just knock this guy over here. Very smooth, guys. A little bumpy, but still smooth. Let's try setting 2. Come on. Check the battery. I'm going to take the battery off. the inserter. Alright guys, I think we have so far a winner here, if you've been watching my videos. Damn. And some hilarious little takeaways from there, and bloopers. I want to try to do a masonry video sometime in the future. I do have some masonry we can drill into, but take this guy off here. And a little damage. I don't know if you guys can see that. So what you can expect if you're doing some heavy hard work. Just pick up the... But what a great... As you can see, there's some discoloration there. The only thing I felt like is the clamshell right here. The casing was, when in the hammer drill, was felt like it was coming apart, and you could kind of see it's a little loosey-goosey right there. But wow, what a great experience with this drill. I mean, holy, it is smooth, it is refined, it's just a work of art. I don't know what happened with the batteries. These batteries might be a little newer, but these batteries work. But if you're in the market for a new hammer drill, I can't recommend this anymore. This is for fasteners and for drilling. I mean, the only time you have a little bit of discomfort is with the hammer setting, but I still have to test that with, no, that was in wood. I have to test that with, of course, we got fire engines here coming through, with masonry. But so far, going through oak, unlike the DeWalt that died, this is just a dream come true. I mean, the DeWalt was really smooth too, except it should have not died. I mean, this drill is drilling through oak. I mean, it's going through... It went farther, I think, than the DeWalt too. It's remarkable. This is a workhorse, guys. If you're looking for a great drill, I highly recommend this. I mean, this might be becoming my everyday drill because it is heavy. I will put that. I'll let you guys know that it is a heavy drill. But boy, I mean, the lighting is great on it. The batteries they take no time to charge. I have the dual charger. I'll do a video on that one day. One of my favorite chargers. I mean, besides the battery fail we had on these two, great. I mean, it's not that heavy. I'm thinking about the brush model. It's a little heavy, but it is a hammer drill. You do have metal here, and it is a beautiful drill. So, please do me a favor. If you can, hit that like button. It helps out the channel, and it helps out me. It's anything big. Just give me one like. It'll be great. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And as always, leave a comment down below. And let me know your thoughts. Do you have this Makita drill? Or a different drill? Let us know how you liking it. You know, maybe this is just my experience and you have a bad experience. Let us know down below. That way everybody knows the bad, the good with this drill. So far, I haven't seen anything bad except for a little nitpicks here and there. So, until the next time, guys, keep on trucking. Alright, guys. So, these are the batteries that did not, that kind of failed on that video, this video we just did. And they're fully charged. They choked like 10 minutes, so I believe it was just a star thing they have, which that's what they call their technology. In here, the star chip from Makita which prevents the battery from going to overload. So I think what happens is that it, as you saw, through times of stress, it will just go to a quick depletion mode, or tell the battery it's depleted. That way you're not heating it up too fast. And yeah, there's the star logo. So yeah, these have cells. So you don't actually overload the battery and overwork the tool, which I actually think I appreciate that, because I really don't want my tool to die because the battery / company allowed the tool to do that. I think that's what we saw with the DeWalt, where the battery did not go, started to go. It gave you kind of a quick warning, but it just let it keep going. It should have stopped. I'd rather have gotten a different battery and let the tool cool down more than not know that, you know. But it was an extreme test. I was trying to push it to the limits, and I think that when somebody's trying to push it to the limits, or don't know how to use that tool, is pushing it to the limits, that the battery technology should stop that and allow, and maybe not turn on for a couple of minutes, cooling the tool off and then allowing the tool to recover, or the batteries to recover from the heat. Like I said, I didn't feel any, they were not hot to the touch or anything. Sometimes the DeWalt gets like that, but overall, I mean, they're back and alive and kicking. So, and it literally took maybe like 10-15 minutes that I saw. It didn't fully charge, so I have to fully charge. So maybe the charger, I don't know, reactivates, or when it's communicating with the charger, the chip, it does something where it alerts it that it's reset, so the batteries that are still full finally is recognized by the charger that it's full, and doesn't take that long. So that's my thoughts. Just a little quick update. Batteries are fine. Did not have to go for a warranty on that. Makita, to me, right now, is number one so far in our little tests and everything like that. So, keep on trucking, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.